So we are here at my mom's place and we're gonna bring her phone and visit her for a little while. It's really nice. It's a senior citizen living village. Yes. Yep. You're eating better than us.
Oh.
All right.
What happened to the other thing?
It's over there by the door.
Put it back over here because he can't jump on this one.
Okay. Go switch them.
Hi, Precious. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, everybody's so happy to see Ashley. She's home.
She's like, wait, I think that's my family.
Hi, Winnie. Hi, Lucky. Oh, Precious. No, nothing like total confusion.